friends, welcome to Succeed Education. Today we are going to see 5th standard Samachar Kalvi Social Science Term 2 Unit 1 Ancient Excavation. Unit 1 Ancient Excavation. Learning Objectives. Students will be able to understand about excavation, know about archaeologists, know some examples of excavations. Let us go to the lesson. Who is an archaeologist? They study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. These people are called archaeologists. What is excavation? Excavation is the process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. Let us know. The things that archaeologists find during excavation are called artifacts. Archaeologists can tell a lot about people who lived there by looking at their houses, clothes, bones, and other artifacts. These are the images of artifacts. Now we can go to next one. Let us know. An archaeological site is a place where there are physical remains of the past human activities. This is only archaeological sites. Some interesting examples from the world. Pyramids in Egypt. When the pyramids were excavated, it was found that the small pyramids were made for the queens. They found huge tombs with superstructures which were built for the burial of the royal family. Skeletons found in the pyramid gave information about the average height and the age of the people. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Baked bricks were found underground. The city had a well-planned, proper sanitation systems, proper well and way to direct waste water to closed drains. There were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls. It was found that the city and its civilization were advanced for their time. This is only in the civilization. Some interesting examples from Tamil Nadu. There are many places in Tamil Nadu where excavations had happened and many interesting things were found. First one, Adichanallur. Adichanallur is located in Thoothukudi district. Among the artifacts unearthed were urns, pottery of various kinds, redware, blackware, iron implements, daggers, swords, spears and arrows, some stone beads and few gold ornaments. Bronze objects representing domestic animals and wild animals like tiger, antelope and elephant have been unearthed. The people were skillful in making pottery and in working stone and wood. This is only Adichanallur excavated artifacts. Now Arikamedu. Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Puducherry. The excavation revealed that it was a coastal village that traded with Rome. An archaeologist found Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, gems, cutlery and crockery, wine containers, etc. He noted that for the local fishermen of the village, the antiques were new. Arikamedu excavated place. Do you know? Some dinosaur eggs were discovered at Sendurai in Ariyalur. Keeradi. Keeradi is located near Shivagangai district. The Archaeological Survey of India. Full form is Archaeological Survey of India, ASI. Excavated an ancient town dating to Sangamage in Keeradi village at Thirupuvanam Taluk. Excavations have produced evidence for brick building and well laid out drainage system. Tamil Brahmi inscription on pottery, beads of glass, carnelian and quartz, pearl, gold ornaments and iron objects, shell bangles, ivory dice have been unearthed. The Roman artifacts found at this site add to the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relations. This is only artifacts found in Keeladi. Recap. What is excavation? Excavation is the process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. What is archaeologist? Archaeologists study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Pyramids and Indus civilization are excavation sites in the world. Adichanallur, Keeladi and Arkamedu are important excavation sites in Tamil Nadu. Now we can do the evolution part. First one, choose the correct answer. First question, the dash study the history of humans and places through excavation. Archaeologist. Second one, small pyramids were made for the dash in Egypt. Queen. Hindu civilization is also called as dash civilization. Harappan. Fourth, Adichanallur is in dash district. Thuthukudi district. Fifth one, Keeladi revealed the dash Sangam. Now we come to the second Roman letter, match. Pyramids, Egypt. Baked bricks, Indus civilization. Pottery, Adichanallur, Shivagangai, Keeladi. Arikamedu, Roman lamp. Dinosaur egg, Century. True or false? During excavations, many artifacts were found. True. Indus civilization is located in Harappa. True. Adichanallur is an archaeological site in Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu. False. Keeladi excavation revealed that it was not developed city. False. Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, etc. were found in Arikamedu. True. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.